modern jungle. Boom. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. 174, classic DMB, simpler or sampler pads. That's very jungly. Nah, that's ass, delete that. Okay, and we'll definitely use a couple of breaks from the Equilibrium pack. Antidote Audio, made by yours truly. Do some glitchy effects here. What are we gonna do? We're gonna do texture. We're gonna click at the start, create a warp, and then pull out. We're gonna pull out. Oh my god. We can change the grain size as well. There we go. And then another glitch there. Why not? Pitching, playing around. Gotta give a little nod to the old school styles. Okay, we need some super subtle old school thing in the background. Oh! Something like that. Could reverb that. That's a nice background layer. That everywhere. Something here? Do we put Jungle Atmos in the jungle track? Fuck yeah, we do. 10 out of 10 original idea. Nobody's done that before. We need that classic pad that down, 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 down. Like a stab? Or what is it? Are they literally called stabs? Yeah, something like. Something exactly like that. Why am I 168.50? I don't make the rules, Ableton does. That's so out of time. I just need to cut off those low frequencies. Oh, we're doing a minor ninth key. What the f? Oh, this is gonna be the drop. Yes! And open this up a little bit here. Then we introduce the fucking filthiest drum break you've ever heard. This is gonna be our main drum break pattern. The main drum. Do we do it in time with the lead? Simple loop. Happy with that. Fuck it, gonna make it wide. This is the modern element that's coming through. I haven't tried this. Ugh. There we go. Texture tool is so key with drums for jungle. Alright, these are getting absolutely slammed together. Destroyed together. Annihilate. Okay, we need one more thing first, and that is the jungle. That one. That sounds way better. Man, I'm way too excited about the sub bass. It's gonna be absolutely brutal. Actually, let's go operator. Let's get and control some harmonics here. That's too quiet. One solo note or? Oh, this could be it. With some pitch. I'm not too sure about that harmonic, but I am convinced on that pattern is wah. It's not really jungle. Maybe we make it more jungly in the second half of the second drop. Second half of the second drop. No, second half of the first drop. It's too simple. What about cut it off early, but introduce release so it kind of lingers a little bit. There, that's more jump. Can I automate? I think I can LFO that actually. LFO tool, map that to this level. I need to make sure it's one note at a time. Voices one at a time. Is it illegal to make your sub wide? Tis the question. Not enough to alert the authorities that I'm making my sub bass wide. I think it needs to be absolutely brutal. Or we need some Atmos in the top. There we go. It's sounding way too sparse. It's now the time we go for solid notes. Oh, this is the English. This is where the switch comes in. All right, here we go. Next level shit. Actually, that sounds hard. All right, switch up the break for this as well. There, it's going in now. We need cymbals with rides. Yeah, there we go, exactly. That's been a lot of fun. I normally don't make jungle, but I'm stoked I did today. That turned out absolutely feel. So yeah, if you want the project file to this, link will be in the description. Free download. Alright, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Peace.